This one is a semi rebuild. The kit was new, but I did use a lot of pieces from a old NASCAR body that I had. So I stole the wheels, the motor, the exhaust. I went ahead and cut the trunk out. This wing is all custom. I added a lot of detail in the trunk area for the fuel cell. Added a roll bar inside. I don't know if you can really see that. Left the stock door panels, the stock dash. The motor's actually from the kit. I believe it was a Chevy Lumina is what this one came from. So including the decals. And another one of my favorites. I really like how this thing turned out. I was really happy with it. It kind of has that Trans Am series look to it, which I really enjoy. So there's that one. This Chevy pickup was a rebuilder from one I did. This is my first time at doing rust and patina, and I was really happy how it turned out. Getting a little dusty. So I've redone this twice over the years, into what you see here. I had originally had white walls on it and did a few different things. I added some rust down at the fender there. Added a few dents, dings. I believe it has a straight 6 in it. Yep, it does. It's kind of hard to see that, but I did add quite a bit of detail on that. Also, the underbody is all detailed and semi-rusted out. Again, this one was another really fun one to build. Added a hitch to the back. So that's that one. Oh, then you can kind of see the windshield made it cracked. I wanted it to kind of look like something, maybe a teenager or a young kid would buy. Started to fix it up, make it roadworthy, but he doesn't really have the money to make it look completely new, or he doesn't want to. This is probably something I would drive. Here is the 53 Ford F100. So this one was a lot of fun to build. I went pretty basic on it. I didn't go too crazy. I originally built a custom camper shell for this, but it really turned out it actually turned out pretty good, but it just didn't. It was too square and didn't match the natural curves of this body. So I went ahead and got rid of it. But I will build another one here fairly soon that I think will match it a lot better. I don't think I went into. I'm not sure what I did. Okay, so there's the motor. I did not add plug wires to it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I did do the interior. Looks like I'm missing a wheel there. So that's a semi curbside. So there's that one. Looks like I said, pretty basic. I think I was concentrating on the camper so much that I just kind of went basic with this one. Decals are from another kit. I do like how the paint job turned out on this one, though. And here's one of my favorite also, an Impala. I really like how this turned out as far as the color goes. And the interior, I was able to, I don't remember what color I used, but it really matches that orange really well. I also built this one back in, I think, January, February of this year. There's the motor. It's got the 454 big block Chevy. There's the underside. Looks like the motor's a little loose in there. That's okay. This one was my first attempt at bare metal foil. Didn't come out bad. not as nice as I've seen some of them. And that's okay. This is all learning experience for, a little history for me is I used to build models a lot when I was younger, all the way up into my teens. Then kind of fell out of it once I actually got into real cars. And now I'm in my early 50s and I'm kind of back at it again. And I got to admit, it's a blast. I built a few with my two sons, which have been a lot of fun, and that kind of got me back into it again. So there. And last one for now is a Chevelle that I did. I wanted this to look like a dirt track car, so I added a roll bar into it, did the motor, made it look all dirty, custom exhaust, made the bottom look dirty. I may go back and add some different wheels on this, but for now I'm going to call it done. This one was a lot of fun too. I don't think I would have gone with the purple again. I probably would have gone with some other color, but I doubt I'll ever redo it, so I still like how it turned out. Added a bunch of, I just used a toothbrush to kind of flick some dirt on it, would make it look like dirt. And that's it for now. So thanks for watching. I've got another video coming up soon where I just picked up a whole set of Corvette. It was a Corvette collector's models. And it has some really cool old ones in it. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my channel. And I'll have some more for you soon. Thank you very much.